Welcome to the Computer Systems course. Today we are going to look at the introduction to computer systems. We will begin with the definition of a computer. The computer is defined as an electronic device for storing and processing data, typically in binary form according to the instructions given to it in a variable program. Having defined the computer, it's important that we look at the functions of a computer. And before we look at the general function of the computer, it is important to look at the parts that forms up the computer. We have four parts: the input, the one which is responsible to input data into the computer. We have the process, we have the output, and we have the storage. So the input gets data from the source into the computer. When the data is input in the computer, then the process is done by the processor itself to process that data into information as an output. Some of the information that is going to be processed are stored in what we call the storage. When we look at the four main areas of data handling, the input, the processing, the output, the storage, we have few examples of the devices that are responsible for that data handling. For example, input devices, we have the mouse, we have the keyboard. For processing, we have the processor. For output, we have the screen or visual display unit and the printer. For storage, we have external disks and also internal hard disks. For a computer to function properly, it has to have all these components added together. And of course, when it forms up a computer system, then it can help us to do our day-to-day activities. Thank you so much for listening for today. We will continue in the next episode. Goodbye.